Hello there, welcome to Skeleton Cube Productions. I'm Kyle Graves Kokon, and today's video is going to be a bit fun, right? So it's not going to be the normal length of video, hopefully. We're just going to go very quickly into what it's like being a YouTuber for 2 months, right? So we started the channel in terms of when we first launched the first video, I believe it was on the 19th of August, right? So now I'm speaking to you this is the 18th of October. I'm busy tomorrow because it's a Monday. So we're just gonna have to do the video today. So looking at some of the stats from it, I'm quite blown away. It's been difficult and it's been a slog. I've learned a lot from doing it. Yeah, see, I'm not going to be like Marco Rubio, like not be able to drink water real quick, whatever. So, doing this video, doing this channel, it's been quite challenging. I've learnt a lot along the way, and yeah, we've got a whole lot more plans, so I don't think we're going anywhere. Gonna buy a whole new kind of like studio thing. So I'm gonna have lights that I can fit on this here table, because then I can film like whether it's day or night, then I'm not really restricted, especially as it's winter. You probably have noticed that the quality of the light in some of the videos probably isn't as good as it might have been when I first started doing this in summer, right? The background, I've had a whole lot of hate with regards to the background, so I'm well aware of this. So I'm actually going to get a green screen at the back here and fiddle about with it a bit and like have that on the try and get that on it as well, and try and get some other like artwork as well. Also gonna get a memory card and stuff, because I actually like this memory card's kind of almost maxed out. Gonna get a few other things as well, maybe a slightly better microphone, yada yada. So the channel, it's going quite well, and I've thoroughly enjoyed every single part of it, even the bits that have been a bit annoying. Yeah, it's been thoroughly enjoyable, and if you're kind of sitting there wondering, oh, should I do a YouTube channel? Like, oh, it's gonna work? Is it like, as long as you've kind of planned it out, like how I did at the very beginning, plan it out, see whether you have enough videos, see if you can make, if you have enough ideas, yeah, for at least 50 videos. And if you do, yeah, and have it all planned out, etc., then there's no reason why you easily can't like get it done, right? So just to read off a few the stats that I have at the moment, right? So, and all of these should appear on screen and stuff, right? So as of this date, there's 26 videos. I've just filmed the video 26 just now, the one on race. So like check that out and stuff. Check out all my videos, actually, they're all brilliant. If I say so myself. And so as it stands at the moment, and this is going to be quite interesting to look back in a few years here at this moment, yeah, the whole channel as a whole had 953 views. So after 2 months, yeah, I've not even done 1,000 views just yet, and this is with 26 videos. And yeah, and just to give you, so I'm saying that not as a kind of like, ooh, dude, that's really like dead and stuff. Yeah, it's more just a realistic kind of thing. Yeah, like, realistically, I know that my videos are very long as well. Like the kind of average film is probably like 30 minutes. So if you are doing shorter ones, your views will probably be better. At the same time, it's a thing of like, you want to have longer videos, because if people are watching even like 10% of a long video, then it's better than watching 100% of a super short one, if you catch my drift, right? So I'm not trying to make them like super long anyway. Like the longest ones are probably getting onto like the 50-minute mark, because I don't want to do a straight like over an hour of filming and stuff. That's a headache. Anyone got time for that? And also as well, what I've advised people to do, because I do this anyway, watch my videos, watch any videos on times 1.5, especially these long form ones. If you start, because you'll just get through it quicker, and all you want to do is just get the information and stuff. Yeah, to sit there and actually watch it is a bit long, in my opinion, right? And in terms of the number of watch hours, 41.1 watch hours. So, and terms of subscribers, I have 39 subscribers, right? On the screen now, you should be able to see like kind of going up and down and stuff. Some reason, some idiot like kind of unsubbed me. I know where you are. Like that person's really been actually no, no, I know where they are. Like that person's been dealt with already. Yeah, so just don't make that happen again. If you're gonna sub, yeah, like you just stay on it. Okay, right. And anyone like putting dislikes on it as well. So far on the whole channel, I believe I only have I think 2, maybe 3 dislikes. So the ratio is like it's still like 96% or something like that, yeah, on the whole. So I'm actually not too bothered by that. I know over time like there'll be more and more haters, so like dab on the haters. But like yeah, so and again those people have been dealt with. One of them at the moment is hanging in my basement. I don't even have a basement, but like whatever. Like in my head there, yeah, my head. Anyway, and yeah, so and the top, yeah, so like in terms of with that, yeah, so in terms of for things to get monetized, yeah, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 public watch hours, right? So at the moment in terms of subscribers, I'm 3.9% of the way there, and in terms of watch hours I'm just over 1% of the way there. So you got a long way to go. I don't know whether that's copyright. No, my voice is bad enough. It wouldn't really be copyrighted, hopefully. And yeah, and the top video at the moment is actually part of like the clip, one of the clip videos I do. So as I've explained before, some of the longer videos, yeah, what I do is I take specific clips out of the thing and just have that as standalone things, yeah, right? And the top the top video with the most amount of views is 130 views on economic theories SKP clips, right? Check that out as well. And that one, like for that one, so what I do is you can actually do this, yeah. So on Instagram or on Facebook and stuff, yeah, because they're owned by the same company, you can actually pay for advertisement. Oh no, he pays for advertising. Oh, just like any other business would, yeah. Like kind of like just relax, okay. I don't know why people got so some people got so really annoyed, yeah. Like, oh, why do I keep seeing your dead advert pop up? Da, 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 da. It's like, well, it's an advert, bro. Like, what the hell? Like, it's business. You need to advertise, yeah? Marketing, marketing, marketing. You know what I mean? So, anyway, so that video, like done relatively well in terms of for that. But because of the nature of of my channel, it's a thing of it's a bit hit and miss in terms of what videos are actually able to be advertised, because anything to do with politics for some reason like Facebook doesn't allow you to do it, because it's like, oh, you might influence in our actions, and it's like, bro, man's talking about I'm talking about flipping people from the 17th century and stuff. Yeah, you want to get onto me about trying to influence politics, man? Bro, man, just literally just saying this is the history. I'm not even saying my own opinions in these videos just yet, but I will though. But I will do soon. But yeah, it's just. But at the moment, I'm literally just saying these are the things. But anyway, like it's a living, whatever. And yeah, and at the moment I have 440 unique viewers. So big up the man them, like well one. Like, haha, that's so sneaky. Ah, I'm so cool. Anyway, oh god. Anyway, and yes, and like I said, with the Instagram adverts, yeah, like 71% of the views that I've had that have been like yeah, 71% of the views I've had, yeah, have been through Instagram, yeah. So it has been useful. Like, you know, I do post up stories and stuff. I post up like kind of actual like posts and stuff, both on my Instagram, but also on the channel's Instagram page, which is Skeleton Key Production Skeleton Key Production SKP. So definitely like check that up. It's, yeah, you know, you'll find out when all the latest videos coming up, etc., etc. And yeah, like just a heads up, it's always release like a clip video on a Tuesday, and then I always release like another video on a Thursday and another video on a Sunday, right? So, and they tend to be, depending on like how organized I am in terms of like posting and stuff, it does tend to be like later in the afternoon, just because most people work during the day, so I don't tend to get like huge number of views. Like evenings time, like after about 4 o'clock onwards, that tends to be like the best time to get people. Or some people do watch it like early in the morning, but whatever, not posting thing. And you can schedule when videos come out, but like I always kind of, if I do tend to schedule them, I do tend to schedule them for like 3:45 onwards. So yeah, just bear that in mind. And yeah, so in terms of the average view duration is 2 minutes 35, which doesn't sound like a lot considering most of my videos are like over 30 minutes, but actually in the grand scheme of things, that's not too bad with regard to YouTube. You know, like so it's not, yeah. And in terms of the average view per viewer, so the amount of times that people are rewatching things, it's on a ratio of like 2.2, right? So actually it's so, you know, if you are like trying to set up a YouTube channel and expecting to have like a million like the subscribers already and like 10,000 like kind of like whatever like is, you know, that's not gonna happen, right? Like people know what, like you'd be very lucky to have a channel go that viral that quickly and stuff, yeah. And that's even with paying for advertisement and stuff, yeah. But it's a thing of it's thoroughly enjoyable. You should definitely do it, and it's not actually, it doesn't take that much amount of time. Like if it's something that you enjoy, if it's topics that you actually enjoy talking about, if you're feeling a bit nervous in front of cameras, just try it a few times. Like it's actually not that deep. So, and anyone can do it. I hate, like, since I've set this up here, the amount of people I've heard been like, I'd love to like do that. I'd love to do that. I'd love to just have my own YouTube channel going to it. And it's like, just do it, bro. Like, what the hell is wrong with you? Just stop whinging. Just actually put the thing together and actually just go out and do it. Like, it's actually not rocket science. It's not that deep. Like, if you just do consistent videos over a long amount of time, you're bound to get some sort of traction because of the algorithm. Yeah, you're bound to get some people actually enjoy your stuff. Like, there's videos of people who are just literally driving on their motorbike, not saying a word, just driving around London, whatever, yeah, and they've got like 1 million subscribers, and like each of their views get like 1 million, like kind of like thing. It's just like, it's not that hard. Like, actually, there's a market out there for whatever kind of it. All the videos that you watch, like, look at how many views they actually have and be like, rah, I'm interested in this very niche little thing, and yet like there's hundreds of thousands of people all around the world who are also interested in this very niche thing. So clearly there's a market out there for whatever it is. If you make videos that are similar to the content that you already watch on YouTube, chances are you are also going to do well. You're just copying what already works and stuff, yeah, and having your own spin on it, so it's already unique, yeah. So unless you have like literally zero personality, yeah, and you're just some boring person, like, which I can't help you with, yeah, if that's the case. But you must have something. That everyone's got something that they could talk about, right? And everyone's got something they could talk about in depth, whether it's carpentry, whether it's this or that. Just do it, okay? Stop being whingy. Get out and do it. Don't be like, oh well, like I've got my job and but I've got kids and blah blah. Just do it, bro. It's actually, stop crying about it. Yeah, like it takes me like an hour to film a video. Okay, you can find an hour in your week, yeah, to film something. Okay, it's actually not that deep. Just tell, even if you live in a place with loads of flatmates or family or whatever, just tell them to be quiet for like an hour, and it's fine. That's all you have to do. Okay, so that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I actually did all this in one take, yeah, because it wasn't planned to be some big like. So yeah, so have a great day and see you soon. Check out the rest of my things as well. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. Listen here, Pilgrim. I'm about to tell you something. If you don't like and subscribe, well, we might just have little problems such. You know, me with my John Wayne impression. The other day I was watching a Western, and just thinking about how all these people were these good for nothing, you know, YouTubers, like watching their videos, and well, they're not subscribing, they're not liking, they're not commenting, they're just, well, I can't really say much more than that, except like I always say, a day without, what is it? A day without lead is like a day without rain. So, I actually got, see me, I've got too much energy. This is why I shouldn't have coffee, yeah. Yeah. Anyway, so this video is quite a rambling, just next video. But hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for next time. Bye.